Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a single sash door symbol as dynamic block. This is a simple dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Rotate, select object, base point, angle 90, arc A, enter, center click, point, click here, click here. Okay, wipe out frame, enter, select wipe out frame, layer, wipe out, draw order, send to back. Okay, block B, enter, block name, single sash, door, select object, pick point, block unit millimeters, open in block editor. Okay, parameter base point, click here, parameter linear, repeat linear, repeat linear, select distance to parameter, go properties, chain action, click yes, number of grips 0. Okay, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, rename, wall depth, enter, wall depth, parameter number of grips 1, select distance 3 parameter, rename, width, enter, width parameter number of grips 1. Okay, go line, L, enter, enter, go construction, select line, enter, convert. Okay, then go action, scale, select distance 2 parameter, select object, enter, action, stretch, select width parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select object, deselect curve, select distance to parameter. Okay, enter, again go action, stretch, select parameter, parameter point, stretch frame, select rectangle, enter, go stretch 1, select, go properties, angle 90, enter. Okay, now go parameters, alignment, click center. Okay, again go parameter, go flip, click here, center point, F8 press, click here, again go flip, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 points, click, click here, click here, click here, click here. Okay, go actions, more, select parameter point, select alignment parameter, flip state 1, click select, enter, go more, properties, distance 0.5, enter, action, more, select with parameter point, select flip state 2 parameter, enter, go more, 1, properties, distance 0.25, enter, again go action, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, again go action, more, select wall depth parameter point, select flip 1, flip 2, object, select, enter, now go more, 2, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, again go actions, flip, select flip 1, enter, type all, enter, again go actions, flip, select flip 2, enter, type all, enter. Okay, close block editor, save changes, click yes. Okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.